iOS 18.2 is out, but one comment that I'm constantly getting is about the battery draining on the iOS 18.2. In this video, I'm going to talk about battery issues, and I thought why not make a video in which I shared solutions so you can enhance the battery life of your iPhone. So without any further delay, let's get jump into this video. When it comes to improving the battery life of your iPhone, battery life depends upon different things. There are few settings you can change to enhance the battery life. There are few techniques that you can follow to improve the battery life of your iPhone. Now I'm going to talk about the techniques, and I'm also going to talk about the settings you can do to enhance the battery life of your iPhone running iOS 18.2 or any other iOS. Now, talking about the techniques, one important thing is you need to charge your iPhone using original chargers. Recently, I did a comment on someone a comment, and people were saying that chargers doesn't matter. Well, chargers do matter a lot. The battery health of your iPhone also depends on your charger. So try to use the original Apple charger. And if you're not able to get original Apple charger, so for any reason you can also get third party chargers, but make sure that third party chargers are certified by Apple. So they are MFI Apple, made for iPhone. So if you're using MFI charger, you will not face any sort of problem. So that is first technique, use MFI charger or use original Apple chargers. Now, the second technique is never let your iPhone die to 0%. Never let your iPhone even go beyond 20%. If it is near 20%, maybe 25%, always put it on charging. If it is going beyond that 20%, below 20%, it will affect the battery life and battery health, which is not a good thing. So, whenever your phone is around 20% or 25%, put it on charging and follow the 2080 rule. It will help to enhance the battery life of your iPhone. Now, these are two techniques that you can follow to enhance the battery life of your iPhone. Now, there are few settings you can also do. So, for that, if I go to the settings over here and I go to the journal over here, after going to the journal, I go to a background app refresh over here. As you can see, there are different applications, and this the background app refresh for this app is turned off, but for some other apps it is turned on. So basically what it does, if you turn off background app refresh for any application, the app will not refresh in the background and it will not consume battery in the background. So you can customize this setting according to your choice. If there is any application that you really need to be running in the background, keep that on. But if you there is any application that you don't care about, you can turn it off from background app refresh. This way you will able to enhance the battery life. Well, also go to the settings again and go to the privacy and security. So there is a lot in the privacy and security that you can do. Well, if you go to the tracking over here, make sure to keep the tracking off. Turn it off every other application, and it will help to enhance the battery life. Back, go to location services, go all the way down, go to the system services, go all the way down. There is a section known as product improvement. Turn these off. Every other setting must be off. If they are on, they will be consuming battery life in the background, as they will be sharing data with the Apple. While you don't need to turn them on, so just turn them off. It will also help to enhance the battery life of your iPhone. Now go back from here to go all the way down over here. As you can see, icons are loading iOS 18.2. Anyways, go to analytics and improvements. Turn this off for every other iPhone. Every other settings. Turn off every other setting. It will also help to improve the battery life. Go back, go to Apple advertising, turn this off too. Once you have done these settings, you will be able to get good battery life. Also, there is one important thing I want to talk about. iOS 18.2 is just out. It's almost like 2 days, and iOS definitely takes couple of days to get stable. So I'm hoping after 2 days of using, iOS 18.2 will start to get better, will start to get stable. So just wait for another day and see the improvements. I hope you will get the improvements, and you can always follow these techniques and settings. Well, this is all from this video. It was small simple video. I just wanted to share that how you can improve the battery life of iOS 18.2. If you have any sort of questions regarding battery life, performance, or any other thing, just drop the comments in down in the comment section below. And I want to also talk about a very important thing. Many people ask me about the wallpapers that I use in my videos. So if you want to get any sort of wallpaper that I use in my videos, what you need to do is just follow me on Instagram and DM me on Instagram, and along with a screenshot of that wallpaper, and I will send you wallpaper. Well, this is all from this video. I hope you like this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Do like and share this video. Subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video. Until that, take care. Peace out.